Hello, I'm in a 2015 Buick Encore, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll drop down. You should see this release lever that we'll pull. That just pops down, should have been the safety releasing, so now we can go up front to open it. If there's no tension at all on this, you might need to check behind this plastic or this carpet to see if there's a cable or something not attached. But up front, you should see the hood slightly loose. So this way you can fit your fingers in here now. And there's a lever right here, so we're going to push and lift. So push. A little hard to do with one hand. There we go. There's an arm here you can use to help hold the hood up. Sorry for the camera work, but yeah, now this arm's holding up the hood. This is what that lever looked like it was pushing. So double check nothing's bent or broken. No debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. Maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it if needed. But that's what all that looks like. And here's where it's hooked onto. Make sure, again, nothing's bent. And also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.